Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this realistic lipsticks in Adobe Photoshop. So, without further ado, let's get started. I've already added the image that needs to have realistic lipstick applied. First, unlock the layer by clicking on the lock toggle. Then, click on the adjustment layer icon under the layer panel and select solid color. Choose the color for the lipstick as per your preferences and click OK. Now, change the blending mode from normal to multiply. Select the layer mask and press Ctrl+I on the keyboard to invert the layer mask. Now, select the brush tool from the toolbar, change the foreground color to white, and adjust the brush type to soft round. Change the brush size accordingly and brush on the lips to apply the chosen color. Now, click on the Add Layer Style icon under the layer panel and choose Blending Options. Drag the small white color triangle icon accordingly in underlying layer. Then, click on the dragged triangle icon while holding the Alt key to split the triangle icon. Move the split half accordingly until you achieve a realistic look of the lips. Once you are satisfied, click OK. Finally, click on the layer mask and go to Properties. Increase the feather value accordingly. Now you will have achieved the desired realistic lipstick effect. You can easily change the lipstick color by double-clicking on the layer thumbnail and adjusting the color as per your preferences. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.